Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a snow white serum. Now, this serum is specially formulated to help whiten your skin quickly and effectively. It is enriched with some natural ingredients that help to reduce dark spots, even out skin tone, and give you a natural glowing complexion. It also helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Now, with the regular use of this product, you can achieve a more even and brighter complexion. This serum is a fast acting serum. It has a fast action ability, and it is lightweight and non-greasy, so you can apply it easily and conveniently. If you'd like to see how I made this product, please keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare, DIYs, showing you how you can make your own skincare products at home. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a snow white serum. Like I said earlier, to make this product you will need a few things. You need a beaker, you need a spatula or a stirring rod. You also need a weighing scale, okay, which is going to help you weigh out your products appropriately. Now you can use any other container that you have. You can use any other spoons or spatulas that you have. I just like to use these items because they look beautiful and they are more professional. Now the first ingredient we need in our product is our glycerin. Now remember, glycerin is a humectant, but it is a humectant that's it's kind of greasy, so I'm not using it here as our main humectant. I'm using it here to hydrate our hyaluronic acid. Now glycerin is a very good humectant, and a humectant is basically something that draws moisture from the atmosphere and deposits it on your skin to give you a hydrating look. The next ingredient we're going to use is our hyaluronic acid. Now, hyaluronic acid helps the skin stretch and flex, and it reduces skin wrinkles and lines. The hyaluronic acid is also proven to help wounds heal faster and can reduce scarring on the skin. It is also a very good humectant to use for the skin if you're looking for something to hydrate your skin. Okay, now I'm going to use my glycerin to hydrate the hyaluronic acid, because if you just add hyaluronic acid straight into your water, you will have some clumpiness and you have to leave the product overnight or for a few hours before it can fully hydrate, and it may not even fully hydrate by then. So it is easier to use glycerin to hydrate your hyaluronic acid and create some sort of a slurry for it to be easy to incorporate into your formula. Okay, now what I'm doing now is called a slurry. When you mix hyaluronic acid and glycerin together to kind of create hydration, we call it slurry. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that thoroughly, make sure everything is well combined before I move on to the next ingredient. Now the next ingredient is propylene glycol. Now in my previous video, I'm going to leave a link here, I talked about propylene glycol and glycerin. Now propylene glycol has some similar effects as glycerin. It is also a humectant, but propylene glycol is not as thick as glycerin. It is easier to absorb into the skin, which is why I am going to use this here as my humectant, which I'm going to add with my water to create the base of this product. Now I'm adding this so I don't have tackiness on my skin. I'm going to go ahead and mix everything thoroughly together. You can see how beautifully the hyaluronic acid dissolves and hydrates into this product. Go ahead and mix it thoroughly, and then we'll move on to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is going to be water. Now you want to make sure you're using distilled water, and this water is going to act as our base for this product because it is a water-based serum. Now remember that this serum is a pro-mixing method, but you can see that I'm not just packing on different serums and different tubes and all of that to mix. My base is a natural base that will help to keep your skin healthy and also help to protect your skin from any form of damages that you may have done to your skin or may be caused in the future. Now, our next ingredient is our own very Skin Perfector Concentrate. If you are looking to clear out dark spots, dark knuckles, remove any form of pigmentation in your thighs, your armpits, your knuckles, your feet, anything about depigmenting, this product is what you need. Now we have this product available for retail and wholesale for people who want to buy to go and resell, or you want to buy to use for your formulation. This is a very active anti-pigment product or depigmenting product, and we're going to add that into this product to help to clear out any form of pimples, pimple scars, and all of that you may have on your skin. Our next ingredient is our Oatmeal Extract. Now, in as much as this is a pro-mixing serum, you see that the base of this serum is very natural and safe. I'm not just packing, serums and things and mixing together. This Oatmeal Extract will help to soothe stressed skin, soothe blemished skin, and also help with irritated skin. Okay, the next ingredient we are going to use is our Clear Serum. Now it is said that this serum is a miracle working serum and that it is formulated from the best plant extracts that instantly clears out uneven skin, stretch marks, pigmentation, and scars, and it is excellent on sunburns and your knuckle area as well. So I have used this. I have got so many good reviews and reports from it, so I have been using this serum for a very long time. It is very safe, so you don't have anything to worry about. The next ingredient on our list is our Skin Doctor Whitening Amples and Collagen Amples. Now the Collagen Amples helps to rebuild collagen and elastin for a firmer, younger looking skin, and it is effective in moisturizing the skin, conditioning it, and restoring the skin's suppleness. And while the whitening ampoules is basically for whitening the skin, it has properties that helps to reduce the production of melanin, and it will give you a very good whitening effect. Now don't worry, I'm going to put all of the ingredient measurements on the screen. Just keep looking at the screen. I will put the ingredients and the measurements as I go on. Okay, go ahead and mix that thoroughly. Make sure everything is well incorporated. The next ingredient on our list is this glutathione whitening serum, which is formulated with vitamin C, and it is designed to diminish the appearance of dark spots and blemishes. It is formulated with ingredients such as glutathione, vitamin C, and these ingredients help to reduce the appearance of dark spots and blemishes by working with your body's own natural healing process. Our next ingredient is Golden Face Serum. Now, a few years ago, I did a video using Golden Face body lotion, and that video has blown up. That video is one of our best viewed videos. Okay, now this is the serum for that product, for that lotion. I'm going to try and make another video, like an updated version of that product, using this serum and other new ingredients that we can incorporate together. Now this particular serum helps to lighten your skin. It is super lightening, like the other one, like the body lotion. It is super lightening, and it is infused with vitamin E and a lot of active lightening agents that helps to lighten and even out your skin and marks. Now the next ingredient is our 7 days Skin Perfector Serum. Now this is different from our own Skin Perfector Concentrate. This is the Skin Perfector Serum that is in the market. I like to use it because it also has some lightening effect, and I also like the smell. So I'm using it here mainly for that purpose. And yeah, it is also a skin lightening serum, and you can definitely use this in other purposes, in your lotions, in your oils, and all of that. Now we're going to use Jama Plus to preserve this product because it is a water-based product. We want to make sure that you are preserving it properly so it doesn't go bad easily and it stays longer on the shelf. The next ingredient we are using is our zinc PCA. Now, this product is a great skincare ingredient and it is greatly beneficial to those who are suffering with acne or spot-prone skin. Now, it has the liquid form and it has the powdered form, but I'm going to be using the liquid form today. Now, this zinc PCA has anti-inflammatory properties and it will help to reduce any swelling, redness that comes with breakouts and all of that. It will help to suppress it and help to also hydrate the skin. Okay, it is a very powerful ingredient, very powerful ingredient, especially if you have acne prone skin. So you can see that this product is safe for every skin type. If you have acne prone skin, this product will work for you. If you have dry skin, this product will, it is good for all skin types. And even if you have sensitive skin, this product will work for you because we have incorporated ingredients that will not only help to protect your skin, but will also help to fight any skin issues that you have already. Now, after mixing everything together, go ahead and store your product in a beautiful container. Don't follow me, oh. Don't use this ugly container. This is what I had handy around and I'm storing it here. So go ahead and store your product in a beautiful container. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you have watched up to this extent and you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so every time I put a new video, you are one of the first people to see the video. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if this video is beneficial to you and it is something that you want to see more skin whitening products. And also make sure you share this video to your friends and families. If you would like to get our ebook and you're a beginner, the ebook is something that I will advise that you get. It is only 10,000 naira. Make sure you click the link in the description bar to reach us to get your ebooks. We also offer other services like trainings. If you like to get our trainings on serum, you want to see more serum, more advanced serum formulas, you definitely want to get our serum course. Reach us out or reach out to us in the description using the link in the description bar. And what else? Any other thing, if you want to buy our skincare products, you want to buy ingredients, we also offer bulk orders. So if you want to rebrand, we can make this particular serum for you a more advanced formula of this serum for you to use. This serum is made for both beginners and advanced, but we have a more advanced formula for this serum. So if you like to sell, but you don't want to be making the products yourself, you don't want to go through that stress, reach out to us. We will help you in all of that. So if you have any questions, leave it in the description bar. I will be very happy to attend to them, answer your questions. And yeah, that's it, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.